Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of a button in Webflow. This is a fundamental skill that allows you to customize your website's design and ensure your buttons match your brand's color scheme perfectly. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to webflow.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in using your credentials to access your Webflow dashboard. This is where all your website projects are stored and managed, so make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Now that you're in your Webflow dashboard, you'll need to select the site where you want to change the button color. Locate the project you want to work on and click Open in Webflow to launch the editor. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh or want to practice, you can create a new blank site to experiment with button styling. Once you're inside the Canvas editor, the next step is to click on the button you want to modify. This is where the visual editing happens. By clicking directly on the button element, you'll activate the styling options in the right panel, giving you full control over how that button looks and behaves on your site. With your button selected, look over to the right panel where all the styling controls are located. Navigate to the typography section. This is where you can adjust the text properties of your button, including the text color. Click on the color picker within the typography section and choose your preferred color for the button text. This ensures that your text stands out clearly against the button's background and aligns with your overall design aesthetic. Next, you'll want to change the background color of the button itself. Still in the right panel, navigate to the background section. Here, click on the color picker to select the background color for your button. Adjust it to your preferred shade, whether that's a bold color to make the button pop or something more subtle that blends with your site's theme. This step is crucial because the button's background color is often the most noticeable element and plays a significant role in guiding user interaction. And there you have it, you've successfully changed both the text color and background color of your button in Webflow. This simple customization can make a huge difference in your website's appearance and user experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.